And here it is.
It's time for another 2-minute tech tip.
Hi, I'm Bob Rubart with the Oracle Technology Network, here to get in your face with another quick tip from a member of the Oracle community. In this episode, that tip comes from Pat Shepard. Pat is an enterprise architect and principal consultant with Oracle, and his 2 minutes starts.
I get a lot of questions from people that I work with about we're kind of moving to the cloud, it's a cloud world. So how do I service enable my databases and my data sources? So a pattern that I've come up with is kind of a data service platform idea. And the idea is, as I show in figure 1, the idea there is that you're going to create, using the Oracle Service Bus, you're going to drag and drop adapter, the database adapter to the canvas and configure it to talk to your database. Once that's done, it becomes very easy for you to expose those database connections out as services. So I can do anything from a select from a particular table, or I can issue a count using raw SQL, or I can call a stored procedure and get the results from that. So as I show in figure 2, what you can do there is, once you have the adapter configured, you can right-click on it and say, expose as REST. Once it's exposed as REST, people can access it from the outside world, and so you instantly have data services provisioned. It's also important to note in that same screenshot that you can configure security on that service. So without writing a single lick of code, you've called a database, you've called a stored procedure, you've rendered it as a REST service, but that's not all. The Service Bus gives you the ability to go in, launch that service, execute it, bring back the sample payload, and make sure that it actually is working the way you wish it would, and even doing the management and monitoring of it. So, I guess the fundamental idea here, Bob, is that data services through the Service Bus to your database, and you can have REST services in a cloud world very quickly, very easily, no code, easy breezy.
Was that a good tip?
This is like a dream I've had.
We want your opinion. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.